Do you have a dream? A vision that keeps you awake at night, filling your mind with endless possibilities, something you deeply desire to achieve? Perhaps it's a goal that seems almost out of reach, yet you can't stop thinking about it. Maybe it's a personal goal, a professional aspiration, or a creative pursuit. It could be anything from running a marathon, climbing the corporate ladder, or creating a masterpiece. Dreams ignite our passions and give us a sense of purpose. They light a fire within us, pushing us to strive for more, to be more. They are the driving force behind every great accomplishment in human history. From the inventions that changed the world to the movements that shaped societies, dreams have always been at the core, but dreams alone are not enough. They are the spark, but without action, they remain just that, a spark. To transform our aspirations into reality, we need a roadmap, a plan of action. This plan acts as a guide, helping us navigate the challenges and obstacles that come our way. This is where goal setting comes in. It's about breaking down that big dream into smaller, manageable steps. Goal setting is the process of taking those dreams, those desires burning within us, and turning them into concrete, achievable objectives. It's about creating a clear path forward. It is the bridge between where we are now and where we want to be. With each step, each small victory, we move closer to making our dreams a reality. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. You might wander aimlessly, making little progress and feeling lost along the way. The same is true in life. Without goals, we lack direction and purpose. Goals act as our compass, guiding us towards what we want to achieve. They give us a sense of direction and help us to stay focused on our desired outcomes. When we set goals, we make a conscious decision to move towards something specific. This clarity of purpose empowers us to make choices that align with our aspirations. It provides us with a framework for making decisions and taking action. Not all goals are created equal. Some goals are vague and lack direction, while others are clear and actionable. The difference lies in how they are structured and defined. To maximize our chances of success, it's essential to set SMART goals. SMART goals provide a clear roadmap and help us stay focused and motivated throughout our journey. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each component plays a crucial role in crafting effective goals. Specific. Your goals should be clear and well-defined. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," specify what being healthier means to you. Is it eating more vegetables, exercising regularly, or getting more sleep? Measurable. You need a way to track your progress and determine if you've achieved your goal. This could be through numbers, dates, or other quantifiable metrics. For instance, track your daily steps or monitor your calorie intake. Achievable. Your goals should be challenging yet attainable. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and burnout. Ensure your goals are within your reach, considering your current resources and constraints. Relevant. Your goals should align with your values, interests, and long-term aspirations. Ask yourself why this goal is important to you and how it fits into your bigger picture. This alignment will keep you motivated and committed. Time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your goals to create a sense of urgency and accountability. Deadlines help you prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively, ensuring steady progress. For example, instead of setting a vague goal like lose weight, a SMART goal would be lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by exercising 3 times a week and following a healthy eating plan. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, making it more likely to be accomplished. By setting SMART goals, you create a clear path to success. Each step you take brings you closer to your ultimate objective, and every milestone achieved fuels your motivation to keep going. Remember, the journey to success is a series of small, well-planned steps, so take the time to define your goals using the SMART criteria. Write them down, review them regularly, and adjust as needed. Your blueprint for success starts with a clear, actionable plan. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch your dreams turn into reality. Once you have set your SMART goals, The next step is to break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Large goals can feel overwhelming, but by dividing them into smaller tasks, you create a clear roadmap for success. Think of it like climbing a mountain. The summit may seem daunting from the base, but by focusing on each step and each switchback along the way, you gradually ascend to the top. Create a list of action steps for each goal and prioritize them based on importance and urgency. This will help you to stay organized and focused as you work towards your objectives. Section 5. The power of visualization. Seeing is achieving. Visualization is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your goal-setting journey. It involves creating a clear mental picture of yourself achieving your desired outcome. When you visualize your goals, you engage your subconscious mind and program it for success. Imagine yourself crossing the finish line of a marathon, receiving an award for your accomplishments, or living your dream life. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your goals. Place it somewhere visible where you will see it every day. This will serve as a constant reminder of what you are working towards. Section 6. Building momentum, one step at a time. The journey towards achieving our goals is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistency, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace the process. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Focus on taking small, consistent actions every day that move you closer to your goals. Each step you take, no matter how small, builds momentum and reinforces your commitment. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how insignificant it may seem. Every step forward is a victory worth acknowledging. Section 7. Staying motivated, overcoming obstacles and staying on track. Staying motivated is crucial for achieving our goals. There will be times when you face challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. It's during these times that it's essential to have strategies in place to stay on track. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your dreams and encourage your progress. Share your goals with them and ask for their support. Break your goals down into smaller milestones and celebrate each achievement along the way. Reward yourself for your hard work and dedication. This will help you to stay motivated and maintain your enthusiasm. Section 8. The power of celebration. Recognizing your achievements. Celebrating your successes is just as important as setting goals and working towards them. It's a crucial part of the journey that often gets overlooked. When you take the time to acknowledge and appreciate your accomplishments, you reinforce positive habits and boost your self-confidence. This recognition helps to build a foundation of self-belief and encourages you to keep pushing forward. Don't wait until you've achieved your ultimate goal to celebrate. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth acknowledging. Break your journey down into smaller milestones and acknowledge your progress along the way. This approach not only makes your goals more manageable, but also provides frequent opportunities for celebration. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, whether it's a favorite snack, a new book, or a relaxing day off. These small rewards can make a big difference in maintaining your motivation. Spend time with loved ones. Sharing your achievements with those who support you can amplify the joy and make the experience even more meaningful. Or simply take a moment to reflect on how far you've come. Journaling about your journey can be a powerful way to internalize your progress and keep track of your growth. Celebrating your wins, no matter how small, will help you to stay motivated and maintain a positive mindset. It reminds you that you are capable of achieving great things and that every effort counts. Incorporate moments of mindfulness and gratitude into your routine. These practices can enhance your overall well-being and keep you grounded in the present. As you celebrate your achievements, also take the time to envision your future goals. This balance of reflection and forward thinking will keep you inspired and focused on your path ahead. Remember, recognizing your achievements is not just about the end result, but about appreciating the journey and the growth that comes with it. Share your success stories with others to inspire and motivate them as well. Section 9. Adapting and adjusting, embracing flexibility on your journey. The path to success is rarely linear. There will be times when you need to adjust your goals, revise your plans, or navigate unexpected obstacles. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Seek guidance from mentors, coaches, or experts in your field. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of the process. Instead of viewing them as failures, see them as opportunities to learn, grow, and refine your approach. Section 10. The transformative power of goal setting. Goal setting is more than just a process for achieving specific outcomes. It's a transformative journey that empowers us to live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. When we set goals, we tap into our potential and unleash our inner drive. We develop self-discipline, resilience, and a belief in our ability to achieve great things. The process of setting goals, working towards them, and achieving them helps us to grow as individuals. It teaches us valuable life lessons about perseverance, determination, and the importance of never giving up on our dreams. Section 11. Your journey starts now. Embrace the power of goal setting. The power to achieve your dreams lies within you. Goal setting is the key that unlocks that power and sets you on the path to success. Take the time to define your aspirations, set smart goals, and break them down into actionable steps. Visualize your success, stay motivated, celebrate your achievements, and embrace flexibility along the way. Your journey starts now. Embrace the power of goal setting and watch as you transform your dreams into reality.